Hi everyone. Today my partners and I were gonna to talk about the production and export process about the cocoa beans. First of all, it's important to know about what is this and how this process can work. Chocolate production is an complements chain that involves a series of steps from the cultivation of cocoa its in natural form to the distribution. Each piece has its own logistic and management challenge. The Flexsim tool was used to make sound decisions. The first step that we can find is the reception. Here we have to know if the cocoa beans have an quality control and if it has an appropriate treatment. Then we have the classification and cleaning process. Here we have to know if the cocoa beans have passed the quality check, they are taken to the cleaning machine, and we have to remove all their contaminants. Then we have the fermentation process. Here we have to be cleaning. The cocoa beans are placed in a boxes or containers. This process can take over of the 3 to 9 days. And the final reaction of this process is the flavor and the aromas of the chocolate. Then we have the roasting. Here we just want to have the spec just a little darker of the color and find an ideal texture of being cracking. And then we have an crushing and grinding process. Here, after that we have been a rye fermentation process, the cocoa beans are gonna to return them into a liquid paste known as a cocoa liquor. This process or can take it between 4 or 6 hours, depending of the amount of the beans that we use of the machine.
Okay. And the next step is the cooling due to the friction force generating the cocoa liquors means recommend the cool the cocoa mass possible in order to preserve and obtain the right temperature body. The next step is the mixing. In this step, use the conchadora as assistant rollers, consistent mold the chocolate with herbs, sugar, milk, and flowers. This process is 1 or 2 hours, depending on how they produce it. And the eighth step is the chocolate molding. In this stage, the solidification in molded into different shapes using solutions. Is efficient equipment and techniques used in the industry, and this process takes between 5 to 30 minutes, depending on the size the mod used. In the end step, bad cash. In this step, the chocolate molded is bad cash. In a time approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour. And the next is storage. It's important the preservation in the chocolate is very delicate. Since this product very sensitive to temperature things for preservation is necessary the following condition as cool and replace temperature 14 18 grades Celsius is very important. This no sudden temperature variation.
Okay, I'm going to continue with transportation and export process. The process of transporting this product from its place of origin in the city of Valledupar to its final destination in the city of Zaragoza, Spain. It's a complex process that involves several steps. Once the chocolate is ready, it is packed in cardboard boxes. These boxes are located into trucks that transport them to the port of Santa Marta. Transporting chocolate are usually equipped with refrigeration system to maintain a constant temperature. This system typically uses a compressor to cool the air that is pumped into the trucks, cargo box. At the port of Santa Marta, the boxes of chocolate are loaded onto a ship. The ship that transports the chocolate from Santa Marta to Barcelona is a container ship. The ship can carry a large number of boxes of chocolate in a single trip, which reduces transportation costs. In addition, the vessel is designed to transport goods safely, which protects the chocolate from the elements. The voyage takes approximately 2 weeks, generally depending on weather conditions and maritime traffic. Okay. About the statics, the integration of statics in Flexsim proves to be a fundamental tool for strategic decision making with business process. A tangible example of the benefit is the ability to analyze average content by making decisions based on statistical data from Flexsim. Companies can optimize, reduce allocation, improve workflows, and ultimately increasing operational efficiency. We have in the simulation the Flexsim average content, show process in the queue, and content is all for we are model. Thanks for your attention.